Copying and pasting a card can save a lot of time, and if you don't need to use it again and again and again, it's just sort of a one-off and you don't need a template, copying and pasting is an easy way to do it. Now there's two ways to do it. I'm going to show you both. So the first way is sort of the long way. If you click on your card, on the right hand side, scroll down, you'll see there's a copy. If you click that, it'll give you the option to give it a new title. You can choose the board that it's going to copy to, and you can choose the list that it's going to copy to. You can also choose the position, like whether it shows up at the top or the bottom of the list. I am just going to create a test one and go create card. Now if I jump off that, you'll see that it has copied that card. There's two of them now. Now the second way to copy it, if you mouse over the card, see this little pencil? Click that, go copy. It'll give you the same options as before. So choose the board, choose the list, choose the position. It's just a quick way to do it. I hope this helps.